Hello everyone, welcome back to English for Beginners. Today we will learn 3 useful phrases for online shopping. Add to cart. When you see something you want to buy, you click Add to cart. It means you put the item in your shopping basket. Example: I add a t-shirt to my cart. Proceed to checkout. When you are ready to buy, you click Proceed to checkout. It means you go to the payment page. Example: I proceed to checkout to pay for my t-shirt. Delivery address. The delivery is the place where the store will send your item. Example: my delivery address is 10 Green Street. Practice. Now repeat after me. Add to cart. Proceed to checkout. Delivery address. Great job! You learned 3 important phrases for online shopping. See you next time in English for Beginners.